In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted Jira issue or ticket. Whether it was an accident or a change of plans, recovering a deleted issue in Jira can be crucial for ongoing projects, and understanding this process will help you efficiently manage your projects. Let's dive in and go through the steps so you can restore your ticket seamlessly. First, we'll start by heading over to the Jira settings. This is your central hub where you can manage various aspects of your Jira account. So it's a good idea to become familiar with navigating through this area. Once you're in the settings, the next step is to select the System option. This section allows you to access a range of administrative tools. From here, you'll want to click on the Backup Manager. The Backup Manager is your go-to utility for all things data management within Jira, including retrieving past backups, which is what we'll focus on today. Now, the key part is to locate a recent backup file that contains the issue you need to restore. Backups are regularly created within Jira, and your most recent ones will likely contain the data you need. Take your time here to ensure you select the correct file. Efficient backup management is crucial, as it saves you from potential data mishaps and ensures your issues can be tracked back easily. Once you have identified the appropriate backup file, it's best to restore it to a test instance first. By using a test instance, you can safely experiment and verify that you have found the correct ticket without affecting your live production environment. Restoring directly to production might overwrite or disrupt other changes, so this step allows you to proceed with caution. After ensuring everything looks good in the test environment, we can proceed confidently. The final step involves exporting the issue data from your test instance and then re-importing it into the production environment. This will ensure that the restored issue reflects accurately and is available for your team to continue working on. The export and re-import process consolidates your issue back into your live project setting, allowing you to remedy any disruption caused by its initial deletion. By following these detailed steps, you should be able to successfully restore a deleted issue in Jira. Remember, being methodical and careful with backups is key to maintaining a smooth operation. By utilizing test environments, you reduce risks and make sure all transitions are mistake-free. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these instructions clear and beneficial for your Jira management needs. Feel free to reach out, leave a comment, or ask questions if you need further assistance. Happy managing!